Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can set up call forwarding on Android phone. So let's get to it. First of all, go to your phone application on your Android phone. Then you can click on this three dots button on the top right corner of your screen, then select settings, and after that we can select supplementary services right here guys, and tap on it. And since we want to set up the call forwarding, we just need to click on call forwarding. But before we select on call forwarding, we can select the SIM card that we want to set up the call forwarding. And for example, I'm going to select SIM 2. So just tap on call forwarding on SIM 2 and you can choose either voice call or video calls. And for me, I'm just going to select voice call. And you can select always forward, forward when busy, forward when unanswered, or forward when unreachable. And for example, I'm going to select forward when unanswered. So click on it and you can add the number phone that you want to forward the call to, and you can add right here. But you can also select from your contacts. You just need to tap on the contacts right here. And for example, I'm going to add the number phone right here like this. And after that, we can click on turn on right here. Alright guys, and that's how we can set up call forwarding on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.